And you're kidding. No, not gonna happen. Just the one arm out again. Palm up flat. Oh, you can sit back down. Good try. Palm up this time. Don't move. Flappy's gonna take that right back where he found it. Excellent job. Thank you very much for volunteering. Everybody, finish your snack, please. Oh, check it out. Our stage hit. Not only do we get to work with cute little birds like Flappy, sometimes we challenge ourselves with something larger, like a bird of prey. As you can see in the clip from Universal's film Ladyhawk, Matthew Broderick catches that hawk with bold precision and grace in a spectacular feat of flight. We'd like to recreate some of that movie magic. Focus your attention to the top of our arena. In the small closed box is a star from 310 to Yuma. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Arrow. $, or do you want to take it back out? We're going to send you Arrow. Wow, his son is ready. No volunteering the children. Sit back down. Thanks, Noel and Arrow. Arrow is a captive bred African auger hawk. That's part of the raptor family, a group of birds that includes hawks, kites, falcons, eagles, vultures, and owls. We'd like to bring out 2 of Arrow's cousins in a rare close-up appearance. Welcome out Iris and Olympus. Iris and Olympus are both Eurasian eagle owls. You'd recognize them from the Harry Potter movies.
Well, there goes the water bottle.
Television shows
Just lost it.
CSI and the Geico commercial. These birds are not endangered, but many native species are. We ask that you do your part for all animals, so that beautiful creatures, just like these, will never become endangered. Let's give a nice round of applause for Iris and Olympus. Thanks for bringing them out. I'd like to take this moment and introduce a new feathered friend at Universal, Sweet Pea. Of that high-flying stunt with Shredder, a green-winged macaw. Shredder's trainer is going to place him into a strong current of wind. Once in flight, we can swap out the green screen with any background we'd like and see how it all comes together. Take a look at the center. Nice flying from Shredder! One of the most common questions we are asked here at the show is, how do your animals land a role in a movie or a television series? It starts with some basic training to demonstrate that. Welcome back the dog from the top of the show. She's in Bad Moms, Lily. Hi, pretty girl. Now, before our dogs can make it onto a movie set, they have to know their basic behaviors with both hand and verbal cues, which I'm going to show you some of those with Miss Lily. I want to show you something else that's also a little bit more challenging, how our dogs interact with someone they've never met before. That means I need a volunteer. I need a young girl, not afraid of a dog, who wants to help me out here on stage. So many good choices of brave young ladies. Let's try right here. You're in the center. You have a white t-shirt on, glasses. You're kind of looking, yes, come on up and help us.
I'm just saying.
You can go that way. That'll be the fastest. Yep. Thanks for volunteering. Come all the way down to this side and we'll find out who you are. You gonna say hi to you, Lily? That's nice. Nope, just looking for food. Come on up. What's your name?
Yenna.
Yenna, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I'm from Korea.
Welcome to Hollywood. Okay, Yenna, you're gonna be our actress. We're gonna have you sit in our chair, but I'm gonna move the chair over here since the sun's kind of over there. I think it might be in Lily's face. So you're gonna sit down right here, and then we're gonna set up a scene with you and Lily. Perfect. Oh, she came over to say hi. That's nice. You can pet her. She's, oh, there you go. Get right up in her business. Wow. Okay, so we're going to do some behaviors here with Miss Lily and Yenna. I'm going to place down a little black circle. It's called a mark. It tells our dogs where to stand in their scene. It usually starts with something large like this, and we can even put down a little tiny piece of tape so you wouldn't even notice it while they're standing there with their foot on it. So we'll put Lily right there. Very good. So I'm going to be using both hand cues and verbal cues. We're going to make it look like they're interacting with each other in this scene. You ready, pretty girl? Sit. Sit. I know you're excited. Sit. Close. Sit. Good. Stay. Lie down. Down. Stay. Good. Stay. Lie down. Stay. Down. Side.
They show us with dogs.
Stay. Stay. Yenna, do you want to pet her? You can get a pet her. Stay. And yeah, you can just rub her belly. Good. Stay. Good. Good. Stay. Very good. Okay, that's perfect. You can sit back in the chair. You're Lily. That was a very good stay. Stay. On your mark. Get on your mark. That's not your mark. We're not there yet. Good. Stay. Back up. Back. 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 Stay.
Oh.
Nah, sit. Come here. Good. Stay.
That was
Sit.
a close one.
Feet up. Stay. Head down. Head down. Down, down, down. Head down.
So basically an animal.
Very good. Very nice, pretty girl. That's for you. Thank you very much. You did a great job. We're going to try something a little bit harder. Very nice. Okay, you can stand up for me because Lily's going to be in a different spot, so we're going to move you. We're going to try something called the workaway. This time, I'm going to be behind Lily, and she's going to be facing our actress. Right there, perfect. And she's going to have to respond to just my voice. This is very important. If we ever go on to a movie set and I have to be hidden behind a prop or a camera and she can't see me, sometimes we have to just use our voice. This is good practice. We're going to set this up. Since she's never met our actress before, I want to give her a reason to pay attention to her instead of me standing behind her. So I'm going to take one of her favorite treats and I'm going to place it down in front of you. That way she knows where to focus her attention. And I'm going to move behind her, representing me somewhere else. We'll try some behaviors. Uh-oh, you dropped it. With just my voice. And that. Right here. Stay. These are for the dog. Okay. Stay. We're going to try this again. I'm going to go all the way behind her to see how well she does with just my voice. You girl, watch. Back up, back up, back, back, stay, sit, stay, sit, sit, stay, Lily, back up, good, sit, good, on your feet, stay, get on your mark, lie down, down, on your feet, stay, get on your mark, stay, good, can you get your tail? Lily, get your tail, good, get your tail, good mark, stay, limp,
Aww.
limp, stay, sit, cover. That is the work. Excellent job, pretty girl. You were fantastic. Come on, Ridley. I have some good stuff for you. We have some souvenirs. All the way over here, you are a trainer for the day, and you get a Universal Express pass. Thank you so much for helping us out. Big round of applause for our actress. You did a great job. And hopefully you found all your snacks. Okay, off you go. Nicely done. Now the animals don't only have to take direction from their trainers. Sometimes a movie says they have to take direction from actors. I need another volunteer, a young boy this time, not afraid of animals, who wants to help us out. There are so many good choices. Maybe someone on this side. Okay, wearing the Dodgers baseball cap. You want to help us out?
Maybe it's because you're getting a little old for that.
Come on up.
No, I just don't want to show off.
What's your
Still got
name?
the talent.
Dimitri, nice to meet you. And where are you from?
City Valley.
Welcome to Hollywood. Okay, Dimitri, come on over. Have a seat in our director's chair. Get yourself comfortable. Actor in place. Let's bring out your animal co-star. He's one of our new rescues. Welcome out, Leo. Hello.
It's Diesel.
Okay, in the back we have a huge pile of
for a second, I
clothing.
just saw
Anything you want to
Diesel.
wear. Hat, shirt, shoes, socks, pants, anything. You stay your seat, whisper 2 items to Mr. Leo, and he's going to run back there and bring them out for you, okay? Have you ready? Go ahead. You told them 2, right? Okay, you can sit back down. Were you listening? Hopefully. Head on back there. This is not a trick, it's a trained behavior. Leo is going to search through that huge pile of clothes and bring out what our actor has asked for. Well, thank you. First one up. Did you ask for a hat? Yes or no?
No.
Okay, well, you asked for 2. Try again, Leo. Search extra hard. Now, he missed the first one, but I guarantee he's not going to miss the second one. You're going to be so impressed when he brings out the exact second article of clothing that our actor has asked for today. Let's see what you got for us, handsome. Oh, no. Where did you get this? Leo. I'm so sorry. That's Leo's girlfriend. You didn't have to stand up for me. Wave to your fans. Big Hollywood wave. Big wave. All right, that's not too bad. How about a bow? Can you bow? Very good. Sit.
Wow.
Treat. I'm just messing with you. You're doing a great job. Do you want to help us out with one more scene? Excellent. Take a walk with me. Now, oftentimes on movie sets, directors want the dogs to do things they may have never seen or done before, like go on, over, around, or through something. It's our job as their trainers to help. That's not very good, through something. It's our job as their trainers to help them overcome these obstacles. We're going to show you how that's done with some friendly competition. Make some noise for 2 doggy stars, Abby. When our animals audition for a role, we give them lots of encouragement, and we want everyone's help. Everyone on this half of the audience, you are going to be cheering on Emmy. Emmy is a small, brown, shaggy dog. She was in a Chewy.com commercial. When I say action, I want you to scream and cheer. Let's practice. Lights, camera, action! Okay, very nice cheering. Everybody on this half of the audience, you are cheering on Reed. Reed is one of our retrievers. He played the role of Butterball in Super Buddies. Let me hear you. Lights, camera, action! Excellent cheering. Okay, let me explain the audition. One by one, the dogs need to jump up and over our human hurdle. Weave in and out of these poles, shoot through the red tunnel, jump back over our hurdle, and finish by ringing the bell. Emmy's in place to go first. Let's cheer her on. Lights, camera, action. Good, bobbing and weaving. Okay, we're in the tunnel. Woo! And time. Nice cheering. And celebrating. You guys can relax in your trailer. Okay, Reed is in place. He loves the encouragement. Lights, camera, action. Wait, no, you just skipped the obstacles. What's happening? Throwing treats. It didn't even work. Okay, let's maybe try to take 2 for Reed. You want to start? Oh, Dimitri, I'm sorry. I guess he's an Angels fan. You know, don't worry, the sun is out, that will dry. You are a fantastic actor. You are not leaving empty-handed.
What happened?
You are a trainer for the day, and you get a Universal Express pass. Thanks for helping us
what
out. Big round of
happened?
applause for our actor. Why are you yelling? What is happening over here? This looks real serious. Jumping over nothing. He didn't jump. He skipped most of the obstacles.
Dad, what are we supposed to do?
She needs help. Okay, wait a minute. We're gonna run a CAT scan. The CAT scan's gonna tell us exactly what's happening here with Reed, and then that's a real cat. Trainers, there's a cat up. Oh, but it worked! Oh no!
Oh, there go the birds.
Trainers, looking for Reed. How did you miss it? Okay, Reed? Is Reed out here? Did you see Reed come back up? No, you're not Reed. Okay. Oh, there you just keep coming. Trainers, there's guinea pigs. We got a guinea pig situation. Are you the last one? She says, no, I don't want to be out here. I made a bad decision. Yeah, your friends ditched you. You can still catch them, I promise. There you go. You know, she kind of looks like a burrito with legs. I apologize. I'm going to follow her home, make sure they got rounded up. Trainers, we got a couple guinea. Nope, that's a big pig.
Oh, what?
Okay, Mabel, this is not your scene. I need, wow. There's Reed. I'll be right back.
That guy almost died.
So sorry. Everything is under control. We are trained professionals. We're going to start the scene over. I think Reed should be coming out here any second now. And then we're going to try you're supposed to have Reed. What is the matter with you? That's a stuffed animal.
But this is good.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cast of Universal's Animal Actors.